Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn an important question in ray optics in the physics intermediate second year. 4 marks important, short answer question number 2. So most important, the question is what is the focal length of concave mirror, and also we want to derive the relation between radius of curvature and focal length of the concave mirror, as a radius of curvature of concave mirror is equal to double the focal length. This is we are going to derive. So concave mirror students, concave mirror focal length, the distance between pole and the principal focus is called focal length of the concave mirror. Simply the distance between P and F is called focal length of concave mirror, where P is a pole and F is a principal focus. Principal focus can also be called focal point or focus. So you can see them in the figure. So it is a concave mirror, and this line is a principal axis, and midpoint of the mirror is called pole. This is denoted by D, and this is a capital F, which is called focus or principal focus or focal point. Distance from P to F is called focal length, and distance from P to C is called radius. So we want to show that radius equal to 2 times the focal length, radius equal to double the focal length. So for this, explanation showing R is equals to 2F. So you can see the figure students. Let P, C and F be the pole, center of curvature and focus of the concave mirror. So from the figure, PF is focal length, so PF is small f, and PC is capital R, that is radius of curvature. So now you can see, so it is the incident ray. OM is the incident ray, which is parallel to principal axis. Principal axis is nothing but horizontal line passing through center of curvature, and pole of the mirror is called principal axis. So parallel to principal axis, so suppose an incident ray OM, which is incident on the mirror at the point M. So OM is the incident ray, and it is reflected, this is students, in this direction. So MN is the reflected ray, and between incident ray and reflected ray, a normal is drawn in the form of dotted line. So it meets the principal axis at the point C. So MC is the normal. MC is the normal, and angle of incidence theta, angle of reflection also theta. So now MD is the perpendicular to the principal axis. So for the derivation of R is equals to 2F from the point of incidence M, so to the principal axis, very close to the point P, that is very close to the pole of the concave mirror, a perpendicular line is drawn, that is MD. So MD is a perpendicular to principal axis. So now here students, in the triangle CMF, we are taking this is a 2 theta, then opposite to this, these two angles will be theta and theta. But you know that in a triangle, exterior angle equal to sum of two interior angle, that is why here theta is taken. So when the sum of these two equal to 2 theta, and this is called angle of reflection, this is called angle of incidence. So when we are taking this one as a 2 theta, which is exterior angle. So in this triangle, that is triangle CMF, so then opposite angles theta and theta, so will be, so sum of these two will be equal to exterior angle. So it is a 2 theta, and these are theta and theta. MD is perpendicular to the principal axis. Now we are taking triangle MFD students. Triangle MFD, angle is 2 theta. So tan 2 theta is equals to, we have a formula from trigonometry. So tan theta is equals to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. That is, in a triangle MFD, tan theta is equals to opposite side to 2 theta. So 2 theta opposite side is MD, adjacent side to theta is DF. So tan 2 theta is equals to MD by DF. It is equation 1. Next, from the triangle MCD students, MCD, then theta. So tan theta is equals to opposite side to theta by adjacent side. So this is theta. Theta opposite side is MD. Adjacent side is, this is C to D or D to C. So tan theta is equals to MD by DC, equation number 2. Now when angle of incidence, that is theta, is a very small, when angle of incidence is very small, tan theta is taken as theta, tan 2 theta is taken as 2 theta. That is tan 2 theta is taken as equal to 2 theta and tan theta will be equal to theta. That is why from equation 1, tan 2 theta is taken as 2 theta. So MD by DF, and from equation 2, tan theta is taken as theta. That is why theta is equals to MD by DC. It is equation number 4. So from equation number 3 and 4, students, 2 theta is equals to MD by DF, but theta is MD by DC. So this is 4 is substituted in the equation number 3. So 2 theta means 2 of theta means so when theta is a very small, tan theta will be equal to theta and tan 2 theta will be equal to 2 theta. That is why from equation 1 and 2, so will be written as 2 theta is equals to MD by DF, which is taken as equation number 3, and tan theta will be taken as theta equal to MD by DC. Now substitute 4 in the equation number 3 in the place of theta, then it will be 2 of MD by DC equal to MD by DF. MD will be cancelled, then 2 by DC equal to 1 by DF. 1 by DF, students. This is taken as equation number 5. So again, students, so here this principle here we are taking when theta is very small. When theta is very small, so you can see the point D coincides with B. So the perpendicular line is there between M and D. When theta value is very small, so the perpendicular line meets the point pole P, that is why D coincides P. Then so you can take, so you can see, students, when theta is very small, when theta is a small, D is taken as P. So from the equation number 5, 2 by DC means 2 by PC, D is written as P, 1 by DF is taken as P by 1 by PF, but already, so we have taken in the beginning, PF is small f, that is distance from P to F is focal length small f, and P to C is distance radius. That is why, so you can see, students, 2 by PC equal to 2 by PF, that is PC means radius and PF means focal length. 2 by R is equals to 1 by F. By cross multiplication, R is equals to 2F. So that is radius of curvature of concave mirror equal to double the focal length or 2 times the focal length. So you can see, students, again, important, most important. So practice well.